Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown, ginger beige, MBTEX interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, heated steering wheel control. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 28,575 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.